Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube short thumbnails not changing. So I'm going to talk about this exact problem and help you solve this. So first of all, just open the YouTube application on your mobile. If you tap on your profile icon and go for your channel, so this is my channel. So let's say you actually uploaded a couple of shorts and you wanted to change the thumbnail on them, but when you go into the short feeds you don't actually see any changes to that thumbnail whatsoever. Well, you are able to change the thumbnail, but in the you there is like a short feed, right, where you will be able to view all of the shorts that you have, like that basically is recommended to you, your own short speed as well, you can see, and there you will not be able to change the thumbnail on them. Unfortunately, as of right now it is not possible. You only get like a custom thumbnail or like a custom preview from YouTube based on the video that you uploaded, and unfortunately you are not able to change it there. But if you want to change it to like the recommended, for example, if you go into the YouTube homepage for example and you want to be able to change it there for people, if the shorts is recommended to them straight on the black when they are browsing basically, then you are able to change it there, just so you know, but not for the shorts fit itself. Unfortunately, I hope that you understand what I mean. So basically, as of right now, it is not possible to change it on the shorts, but it should be possible to change it to like the home page and browse feed basically. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.